My dear students, now we are going to look at BCD to 7 segment display decoder, how it functions, what is 7 segment display, how the 7 segment display works. We are trying to investigate. So if you look at the if you look at the 7 segment display, so it will be like this. It looks like this. This is what exactly 7 segment display. So this is A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G. So let's suppose if I want to display 0. To display 0, what we try to do is we will display this is 0. If you want 1, if you want 2, if you want 3, if you want 4, if you want 5, if you want 6, if you want 7, if you want 8, if you want 9, this is how we are going to display. So what is the meaning of that is, if I take only one segment, okay, let's say A will look like this, it will glow. Can I show like this? So when it glows, it will be like red like this. Okay, this section. What is there in this A is there is a light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. This is positive, this is negative. Positive is called anode, negative is called cathode. Positive, negative terminals. Now, for this to glow, what we do is this should be connected to positive supply +5. This should be connected to ground. Then it will glow. Okay. So what is being done is there are how many? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a decimal point which is H. We are not considering now. This is not required for us right now. So what we try to do is we try to see what exactly the inputs that we are supposed to give in order to make one. It has to present 1. So if you look at the segments, this is A, B, C, D, E, F. This is B and C. Okay. So similarly, this is A, B, then it is D, E, then G. Likewise, for each and everything, which one has to glow? So if B and C glows, except G, if everything is glowing, except G, everything is glowing, it is showing 0. If B and C is glowing, it is showing 1. Okay. Likewise, we can see which segments has to glow. So, for example, if you want to glow 8, everyone has to be on. So, if you see the inside of this 7 segment display unit, there are LEDs. Okay, LED for each and every segment. LED here, LED here, light emitting LED, diode, light emitting diode, light emitting diode, then light emitting diode. Okay, so see this structure. For every segment, one LED. How they are connected is either they can be connected like this. How they can be connected is they can be connected like this. Let's say this is A. Only for the sake of convenience I am drawing here. Let's say next is B. Let's say next is C, next is D. Okay, next D. Okay, so they are like this, A B C D. Okay, so further E, E F, then G. So what is going to happen inside is, either way it is possible. What is that possibility is, all the anodes, these anodes, okay, anodes are connected together, and they are together connected to say plus 5 volts. Okay, then it is called common anode connection. Let's suppose inside, same, once again the same, A, B, C, D, E, F, then G. If all cathodes are connected together, and if they are connected to ground, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, F, G. I have drawn here. Actually, they are arranged like this. How they are arranged is, like this, in this pattern. But only for the sake of convenience, I am drawing at one place. Actually, I have to show them in this pattern. Nothing more than that. Now, how it is going to function is, if this will glow provided if I give 1, that is logic 1, or supply plus 5 volts, or high. So in binary, what are the inputs we have? 1 and 0, right? 1 is high, right? And what about 0? 0 is low. If I give high input, A will glow. If I give 1 here, B will glow. If I give 1 here, C will glow. If I give 1 here, D will glow. If I give 1 here, E will glow. Okay. So this way of configuring the LEDs is known as common cathode. All cathodes are connected together, connected to ground. Earlier, all anodes are connected together, connected to supply voltage, connected to one logic 1. Now they are connected to logic 0. Okay. So this is what exactly known as common cathode and common anode. So if I take a common cathode type, if I make B is equal to 0, B input 0, C input 0, accordingly this will glow and this will glow. This will show you 1, representation of 1, number 1. Okay. When it is possible, this is if it is a common anode type. In a common anode, what is going to happen? If leftovers are cathodes, so when this will glow, if it is connected to ground, it will glow. If it is connected to ground, it will glow. So I need to connect 0 and 0 because supply is connected already. So then only the light will emit from this. So it will glow. Say in common cathode, let's suppose if I want to display 1, this has to glow, but it is of common cathode type. So in case of common cathode type, what we need to do is, the input B should be given with logic 1. Input C, B and C should be supplied with logic 1. Then only these two will glow. B will glow, C will glow. Okay. So common cathode or common anode should be very clear. If it is common cathode, give the logic high input to make your any segment to go high. Okay. Now what we are looking for? BCD to 7 segment display. 7 segment display. 7 segment display. Okay. BCD to 7 segment display. Right. So what is BCD binary coded decimal? What its values? It is going from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. So if I give the input 0 to 9, it has to, if I give 0, it has to display 0. If I give 1, it has to display 1. If I give 2, it has to display 2. If I give 3, it has to display 3. So what is the input? Inputs are 0, 0, 0 to display 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. So on and so forth. 1, 0, 0, 1. Starting from 0 to 9. But these are not compatible. If I give 0, this is the input. But what is the input for this? The input for this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So from these BCD inputs, I have to generate A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H such that if I give 4 zeros, all LEDs will glow. Okay. So the one which is capable of converting this information, 4-bit data, 4-bit data has to be decoded to 7-bit data. What I mean to say is, if I give 0, 0, 0, 0, my out, this is input, say X, Y, Z, T inputs. What is my output? Output is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What output should be? It should be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Input 1. Input 1 means what exactly? Common cathode type or common anode type? Common cathode type. In common cathode type, if input is 1, okay, that is going to glow. So in common cathode type, if I give 0, 0, 0, I should get this. So I need to build a sub-circuit. If I give 0, 0, 0, 1, okay, B1, C1, rest all zeros has to glow. So this is how you should work out. If I give 2, 2 has to display. How it do 2 will be? 2 will be like this. So which segments? A, B, D, E, H. Sorry, G, not H. G. So rest all should be 0. So likewise, I need to work out for what exact it is? Common cathode type. Okay, if it is common anode type, converse is true. That means if it is common anode type, if we give 0, 0, 0, 0, to make it glow for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I need to give 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1. Then it is known as common anode type display. Okay. So if you want 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 is BC. So BC should be zeros, rest all should be ones. So that B and C will glow. Okay. So in common anode input should be low. In common cathode input should be high. Okay. How to remember this? It's very simple. The concept is common cathode. Means what? For everything, for all LEDs, negative is connected to ground. So I have only one option. I have positive should be connected to high. Common cathode. All cathodes are connected together. All cathodes are connected together. Connected to ground. Common cathode meaning. Common anode means all anodes are connected together of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Connected to high. I have only option to connect to 0. Then only it is going to be forward bias, it is going to emit the light. Okay. So under what conditions is not going to glow? It is something like this. If you have 1 on this side, 1 on this side, no glow. Or you have 0 on this side, 0 on this side, no glow. Okay. So what we need to do is, if it is already connected to ground, give it 1. If it is already connected to 1 high, give it 0, so that it is going to function. On the whole, positive should be connected to high, positive should be connected to high, negative should be connected to low. With this, your LED is going to work. So this is the basis for the BCD to 7 segment decoder design for common anode and common cathode. We will see common cathode followed by common anode.